Tired of your grapevines not producing fruit? Are you making one of the top 5 mistakes most grape growers make? Find out in this video. Mistake 1. Incorrect pruning. Many grape growers forget to prune every year or do it at the wrong time and in the wrong way. This leads to a decrease in yield and slower growth. Pruning should be done every year in winter, during the dormant period. Mistake 2. Excessive or incorrect watering. Grape seedlings do not like excess water. Too much watering can lead to root rot. Water as the roots dry out, but in small portions. Mistake 3. Planting in a place where there is not enough sun. Grapes love the sun. Grapes grown in the shade will yield a smaller harvest, and the fruit will not be sweet. Plant the plant in a place that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Mistake 4. Incorrect and excessive fertilization. Many people apply too much nitrogen fertilizer. As a result, a lot of leaves are formed, but few fruits. Use balanced fertilizers only when necessary. Mistake 5. Indifference to diseases and pests. Grape leaves and fruits are susceptible to many diseases and insects. Many people do not notice this in time. Monitor and, if necessary, treat with environmentally friendly products. Conclusion: if you make any of these 5 mistakes, the grape yield may be significantly lower. Now you have the knowledge. Put it into practice and increase the harvest.